You can't focus for 10 minutes. Don't get defensive. You literally just proved it by clicking on this video. And if you make it to the end without checking your phone, you're already better than 90% of people watching this right now. Your brain is cooked, not broken. Cooked. You've trained it to expect a dopamine hit every 8 seconds. Instagram, TikTok, text messages, email. Your attention span isn't shrinking by accident. You're literally rewiring your brain to crave distraction. And here's what terrifies me. You don't even notice it anymore. You're in the meeting but scrolling, reading but not absorbing, listening but already gone. But here's what nobody tells you about focus. It's not about willpower. It's about what you did in the 2 hours before you tried to concentrate. Let me explain. Every time you check your phone, your brain doesn't just bounce back. It takes an average of 23 minutes to fully return to deep focus. Read that again, 23 minutes. So when you check Instagram between tasks, you just nuked your next half hour. When you quickly read that text during work, gone. You're not working for 8 hours. You're working for maybe 90 minutes total. And you wonder why you're exhausted but accomplished nothing. Here's the brutal truth. Your phone is designed by the smartest engineers on the planet to own your attention. And you think you can outsmart it with willpower. You can't fight a slot machine with discipline. You need a system. So here's what you do, and I'm not kidding. Do this today. Step 1. Airplane mode before any deep work. Not silent, not do not disturb. Airplane mode. Step 2. 1 browser tab. 1. Not 47. Step 3. The first 60 minutes of your day? No input. None. No news, no messages, no scrolling. Because here's what's really happening. Every day you can't focus is a day someone else is getting ahead. While you're context switching yourself into mediocrity, someone else is going deep, building, creating, actually finishing things. And in 5 years, the gap between you and them won't be talent. It'll be attention. The ability to do boring, hard things for extended periods is becoming the ultimate superpower. And most people are voluntarily giving it away. Now, here's the part that'll make you uncomfortable. You already know all of this. So why aren't you doing it? Because you're addicted. Say it out loud. I'm addicted to distraction. And like any addiction, you've convinced yourself you're still in control. I'll just check it once. I can stop whenever I want. Sound familiar? Your focus isn't a discipline problem. It's a dependency problem. And the first step is admitting you've been hijacked. So here's your challenge. Tomorrow morning, 10 minutes, 1 task, phone in another room, no music, no tabs open, just you and the work. If you can't do 10 minutes, you don't have a focus problem. You have a phone problem. And if you can do 10 minutes, do it again the next day, then 15, then 20. Your attention is a muscle. You've just been skipping leg day for years. Time to train. Comment 10 minutes if you're doing this challenge tomorrow. No excuses. No, I'll try. Either you're in or you're not. And share this with someone who needs a wake-up call. Your future self is begging you to start today. Let's go.